Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to check out the Global Rose Store. They have all kinds of beautiful bouquets and flower arrangements, so I'll invite you to take a look at those, but today we're going to focus on a 50-count rose bundle. It's 50 fresh-cut, beautiful red roses. Makes a lovely gift. Or if you're looking for a slight variation, you can go with assorted colored roses or upgrade to 100 roses, because sometimes you just gotta. These fresh cut flowers make a lovely gift for special events. You can include a personal gift note. Just check the box labeled "This is a gift" in your cart or at checkout. Please advise the recipient that the gift message will be displayed outside the box within the shipping label, and please be careful upon opening the shipping label. The stems are 16 to 18 inches long, and the diameter is 3 to 4 inches when bloomed. Side note, when reading reviews about Global, just keep in mind that there was a shipping disruption in February of this year caused by weather, and Global did their best to make sure every customer was taken care of afterwards. But even with that taken into account, Global still has 387 reviews for this bouquet with an average of 4.2 out of 5 stars. Now let me share with you a fantastic review from a verified purchaser called Absolutely Beautiful. I previously ordered from a different company, and after my mom received them, they died within 2 days. I spent a lot of money on various color roses, and I was a little apprehensive to buy roses off Amazon because of having bad past experiences with roses in general. However, I took the plunge and I was happy that I did. The roses were absolutely beautiful, and they lasted 2.5 weeks. I was shocked. I followed the instructions to the letter. I removed all the stems that would be in contact with water, which speeds up the decomposition of the roses, and I added the rose food into the water. I will definitely be ordering from this company again. They were so beautiful. So there you go. Check out the Global Rose Store if you're looking for roses of any kind, but you can pick up this 50-count pack on Amazon Prime, which means free shipping to you at Benchmark Bouquets. They have all kinds of fantastic flowers, but in particular we're going to focus on this bouquet of 2 dozen fresh red roses. This bouquet has about 1,300 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.4 out of 5 stars. Awesome. This beautiful bouquet has Prime overnight shipping, so orders received Mondays through Thursdays before 10 a.m. Pacific time will arrive the next day. So confirm your date at the checkout. And unfortunately there are no Saturday, Sunday, or Monday deliveries, so keep that in mind. And this might actually be the perfect gift. Check the box labeled "This is a gift" in your cart or at the checkout, and you can write a personalized message. When your flowers arrive, the recipient can peel back the shipping label to reveal your note. And don't forget to sign your name. This beautiful flower bouquet ships directly from the farm in the flower's bud stage to ensure a long life. The blooms will open in 2 or 3 days. Flowers picked in the bud stage tend to travel much better and last longer. And Benchmark's floral designers arrange each bouquet specifically to maintain quality and consistency for its overnight trip. So whether or not you're getting roses, you can count on them at least being fresh and nice. All you have to do is remove the flowers from the box, cut the stems, and place them in a vase with fresh water and a flower food packet. The package dimension is 26 by 7 by 7 inches and weighs 5.6 pounds. And now let me share with you a review from a verified purchaser called Beautiful Red Roses. Best purchase ever. I was really happy how I received the roses. Can't give a review on the vase because I didn't order one. Anyways, everything was perfect from the roses to the packaging, so thank you. We'll order for sure in the future. A gift for my mother-in-law's baby. Oh, birthday, sorry. That makes more sense. Well, there you go. Check out Benchmark Bouquets' 2 dozen red roses or any of the other beautiful flower arrangements. I think you're gonna love them. From You Flowers, which has a great selection of roses, lilies, Mother's Day flowers, plants, orchids, all kinds of stuff. So check those out, but today we're going to focus specifically on a highly rated and potentially great Mother's Day gift, 1 dozen long stem red roses with a free vase included. This bundle has about 900 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.4 out of 5 stars. From You Flowers has over 3 decades of experience in the online floral and gifting industry. So there's hundreds of different gifts to choose from when you need to find a beautiful gift to send to a loved one. But let's get back to the roses. When they arrive, mix the flower food with warm water. Cut the stems diagonally and arrange the flowers. Don't put them in direct sunlight. They will bloom in the course of 2 to 4 days. And don't forget to water them with fresh water daily. Also, you can recut the stems every other day to help them absorb water better. Now let me share with you a quick question and answer that may be helpful. One person asked, why can't you add a gift message even when it says you can? And somebody else answered, you should be able to add a card message. There will be a spot after you put the zip code in, and then the card will come up. Okay, well there you go. And don't forget that From You has all kinds of flowers, arrangements, gifts, colors, sizes, etc. So check those out. But if you want to go with the classic 1 dozen long stem red roses, this is the listing for you. It's a great Mother's Day present, free vase included. So order today. I think you're going to love it.